Good morning, sir. Our topic name is heat and mass transfer ISO2, and our topic name is design and analysis of component heat exchanger system for domestic or trading. Our roll number is 43. This is the diagram. Heat capacity rate. This capacity rate formula is C into M into Cp. For this value, Cmax is 175 watt per kilowatt, and C max is 209.3 watt per kilowatt. Next slide is the heat transfer Q. Formula is Q is equal to Cc under root TCE minus TCI. Put this value, and Q is 4604.6 watt. Next slide is the temperature. Formula THO is equal to THI minus Q upon Cp. Calculation is put this value, and THO is 48.69 Celsius. Next step is LNTD counter flow. Electric counter flow. Delta Tm is equal to delta T1 minus delta T2 upon in under root delta T1 upon delta T2. Put this value, delta T1 is equal to 23 degrees Celsius, and delta T2 is equal to 180.69 degrees Celsius. Result is LNTD is 20.82 degrees Celsius. Overall heat transfer coefficient formula is 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon Hn plus 1 upon Hc. Calculation U is equal to 291 watt per meter square kilowatt. Next step is area calculation. Q is equal to U into A into delta Tm. Our area is 0.759 meter square. Available area formula is A is equal to pi into D into L. Calculation. Available area is 0.017 meter square. Next slide is result. The required area 0.759 meter square, and available area is 0.070 meter square. Conclusion: available area is insufficient, and design can be improved. Cost inner pipe cost is 600, and outer pipe is 400, and total cost is 1000. Justification: copper used high thermal conductivity and compact design to improve efficiency.